In this fast-moving world, our lives are getting smarter with the passing time. Every appliance we use is growing smarter by the day. We converse with the gadgets and appliances we use. So, why shouldn't your hot shower be smart too? Presenting Omnis, an advanced water heater range from Racold, equipped with India's first smart control technology. Now, take control of your hot showers with Racold's Omnis range. Smart Control lets you control your hot showers with 4 high-tech features. The Wi-Fi makes it easy to control your water heater from anywhere at any time. Empowered with Racold Net app. Scheduled baths. Sets desired temperature. Notifies during malfunctions. Also saves electricity by letting you track and monitor your electricity consumption. Intelligent Smart Bath Logic customizes your baths. That lets you program your bathing requirement. Whether you prefer a bucket bath or shower bath, we are ready. The Eco function saves energy through a unique self-learning function that lets the water heater adapt to your bathing habits, while it optimizes your energy consumption. All of this with no compromise on your comfort. The advanced microprocessor-based auto-diagnostic function ensures the safety of your entire family. It keeps all product parameters in check for your complete protection. If there is a malfunction, the heater will automatically shut off. There's more to Omnis than meets the eye. It's not just smart, it's also breathtakingly beautiful, designed by the renowned Italian designer Umberto Palermo. Omnis, the winner of the Good Design Award 2019. Highly durable and superior withstanding capacity with Titanium Plus technology. Specially designed titanium steel tank with titanium enamel coating and titanium heating element. Absolutely healthy and clean bathing for you and your family with silver ion technology that actively stops proliferation of bacteria. Omnis Wi-Fi, available in black. Omnis Lux Plus, available in silver. Omnis Lux, available in black and sandy. The Omnis comes with the guarantee of impeccable service before, during and after sales. Our service outlets spread across India assure you of Racold's best service always. With the smart Omnis and its innovative smart control, it's time to be reborn with smart showers with Omnis range.